Self-esteem: how to find the lost you again. What is the reason? You have been particularly sensitive and anxious? Even when something good happens? Do you push away happiness by thinking something bad is going to happen soon? We call this low self-esteem. In fact, the deep roots of this may lie in the family environment we grew up in. Today, we are going to look into the wounds of dysfunctional families that have been tangled in the map of our hearts, which we have been ignoring. Invisible map of the mind that destroys self-esteem. A dysfunctional family does not simply refer to an unhappy home. It signifies a place where the emotional nutrients necessary for a child to grow up healthily are cut off. The biggest characteristic is that all the family's energy is focused solely on the problem of one person. Families dealing with alcohol, gambling, and anger management issues always walk on thin ice, watching that person's every move. In such an environment, the child learns a lesson. It's exactly that: my feelings don't matter. Messages like "boys shouldn't cry," "don't get angry," and "be nice" take away a child's right to feel emotions. In the end, the child grows up as a puppet dancing to the emotions of others, having lost their own voice. Secondly, this is the mask of survival we wear. Children begin to take on roles to survive. The hero, who tries to uphold the family's honor. The scapegoat, who bears all the blame. And the lost child, who hides like an invisible person. These roles may seem to protect us on the surface, but inside, they suffocate the real me. What particularly torments us is the transference of shame. I mistake my parents' mistakes for my own, and feel that my very existence is shameful. I try on the glamorous mask of success, but the person in the mirror still feels unworthy. But remember this: that shame is not yours. It is a burden thrown upon you by others. Thirdly, it is time to break these chains with a love that knows no condemnation. Romans chapter 81 proclaims this: there is therefore now no condemnation for those who are in Christ Jesus. Low self-esteem constantly condemns us. You are not enough. You do not deserve to be loved. But God's law is different. He says that you are already liberated, not because you prove something, but simply by your existence. Restoration begins with the honest confession of, I cannot do it. When I acknowledge that I cannot heal my wounds on my own, the miracle of God can do it finally begins. Don't be deceived by the ripples of moonlight on the river beneath. It lies an unchanging truth that supports you. The final stage of healing is to reconnect with my frozen emotions. Please let out the feelings that I have swallowed for too long, either because they hurt too much or because I was afraid. You can write them in a journal or share them with a trusted person. Repressed emotions manifest as illness or explosions, but expressed emotions lead to healing. Do not rely on the emotions of others any longer. The sadness and joy you feel today are noble rights in themselves. Clean out your past wardrobe and decide to live fully in this moment. You are already enough. Self-esteem is not something to build, but something to discover. Do not let the wounds of the past determine your future. The brilliant value that your Creator has already planted within you is there. You are now free. Today, please say this to the person in the mirror: thank you for holding on all this time. It's okay to be happy now. If today's video has brought you a little comfort, please share your story through comments and subscribe. We will walk the path of healing together. Thank you for watching.